What's going on, YouTube? This is is350 here. I'm going to do a little drone test with my exhaust setup. So I got the Tanabe Revo axle back with the Invidia Mid Pipe. And now is the perfect time to talk because I got the rabbit right there. So the drone is like, I want to say it's like, you could hear it, but it's like, it's almost like just a small little hum. Like if you drive and cruise, you won't really hear it under like 2,000 RPM. I'll show you right here. Okay, excuse my rooftop. So right here, I'm about to go give it a little gas. Right at 40 right there. Oh shit, that lighting sucks ass. So right there, 40 is like cruising, like you won't really hear it at all. It's like a 2 out of 10, to be honest. Like, really can't hear anything at all. It's only when you go over like 2,000 RPM and that's when you start to hear it a little bit more. My lighting sucks ass because the sun's in my face. But with my exhaust setups, I had muffler delete and resonator delete, and boy was that trash in drone city. And then I have the muffler delete with the vibrant resonator. That it's still droned, but definitely the rasp wasn't really there. Like the drone was still there on the freeway and cruising. And then the next setup I have was the Tanabe with the vibrant resonator, and that was way too quiet for me. Definitely no drone, like almost nothing at all. And then I had the Tanabe with the resonator delete. That was still kind of quiet for me, but the drone was like barely there. Again, cruising and highway. So I'm almost at the highway right here. Hold on. And then with this setup, the highway is like. The highway, it drones only, for some reason, for me at least, it's like to 60 to 65. But once you go past 65 and 70 to 80, it's like not even there. I'm gonna cut this video. I'm gonna show you that when I'm in the freaking mirror at the highway and do a little pull. Like I was saying, that you could kind of hear it around 60-ish, just a tad bit. I'm trying to go to 60 there. I'm gonna go to 70 to 80. Picking up a little bit more speed right now. Right about right here. Right here, this is what I'm talking about. Around 70 to 80 right here. It's like barely noticeable. Barely noticeable right here. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and see you next time.